So this came from a different tree company, not our own. But the lady wanted a tree got removed in her front yard. This is a Himalayan cedar in Beverly Hills, and the gal wanted to see, put it back into their house as a product. So we took the tree down, milled up the wood, vacuum dried it, and now we're building her a 48-inch.
This all one piece?
This is a book match.
Book match. So that's right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then just had some knots, so we're filling it in with epoxy. Almost ready to go.
Okay.
We have 8 different offices, throughout the state and in Arizona. This is going to one of our offices, so we don't really build furniture for clients, but we do build furniture for internal projects. We like to call this one our Captain Crunch milk cereal, And then this one this was the leftovers from that. We maybe mixed too much up, and it was kicking off a little hotter, so we set up one more slab and threw it in there. We didn't want to waste the epoxy. This is going to Glendale, Arizona, to our office in Glendale.
What type of wood again?
Elm.
Elm.
English elm. There's another cool shop locally you can stop by too called LEI Wood Designs. And he's got 3 5-axis CNCs.
Wow.
Then with his doors open, Mm-hmm. It's like wild.
Wow.
Speaking of Disneyland, this cookie's from Disneyland. We helped, there's a lot of trees that come out of the urban forest of Disney. So we tried to help them start a program to recycle their city street trees. So if anybody has a chance to go to the Grand Californian Spa and Hotel, they reused a lot of the wood in the Grand Californian Spa from right there on the park, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Right now you hear the vacuum kiln sucking down on the vacuum chamber. So the water does different things at, pretty down, come on, man. It kind of bounces on the vacuum, on the pressure, so it'll suck the pressure down, and then it'll slowly leak back up, and that causes the water in the wood to be agitated and come out of there.
I'll look at it from the front.
Right now inside, it's 120 degrees. So normally, wood is dried with air flowing over sticks that removes the air via evaporation. Inside this kiln, it has these aluminum plates that have hot water that flows through the aluminum plate. So it goes a layer of aluminum plate, layer of wood, aluminum plate, wood, with no airflow in between. So that's kind of one of the big differences on how this works too. So far, 88 gallons of water has come out. 72 torr. Torr is the amount of vacuum, like pressure we're under. Right now, atmospheric pressure is 724 torr, and water will boil at 212 degrees at 724 torr. It's sucking down to where the water is starting to boil at a lower temperature. The wood is heated up to 121 degrees, so inside the wood, the water is turning to steam as we speak, and then it'll slowly stop, and then the water will dump out of the chamber. It's full of olive wood right now. I know someone just asked that and I couldn't hear, but it's full of olive wood, the international symbol of peace. That's a beautiful the sycamore right there. Woo-hoo-hoo! Like snakeskin.
Did Jeff pick out a slab?
Yes. We didn't even make it over here.